Let's activate. Let's activate her up. So that nail salon was pretty decent. I always forget to oh yeah, here's my nails. It ain't giving too granny. These are not my birthday nails. Okay, let me run into y'all. So I was just supposed to go and get my toes done for my birthday or whatever. I don't really even plan on wearing my toes out, but just in case, you know, I always like to have my toes done anyway. So I went to go get my toes done, and I seen this girl that was doing my nails, and she had on this like beautiful red, and I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna just get my nails done. I know I'm gonna end up getting them done again in like a week, but I'm like, whatever, it's my birthday month. Like, it was a really nice nail salon. Everybody was super nice. They got me in, got me out, and my set was only, my nails were only $105. I got like a deluxe pedicure, the lavender, whatever, and like she was massaging my legs for hours. It was almost starting to hurt. I'm just like, okay, Miss Ma'am, you can wrap it up now. Like, I get it. That's cheap. I got gel pedicure and then a dip manicure. So I was gonna go get my eyebrows done, but I have lashes to do at 2:30, so I'm like, okay, I may just even wait until next week to get them done, but they just look super out of here right now. Let me see. Yeah, I need these brows done. Okay, so I'm just now getting off work, and I'm about to go to my lash appointment. I can't remember the last time I got my lashes done. Had to been very much a year ago, it feels like. I'm gonna do a volume set in probably 8 to 13 millimeter. I don't like nothing too long. I still like it to look a little natural. So let's go. Let's activate. Let's activate her up. Activating this bad bitch, period. Because honey, I've been going through it. Got the flu, then I got this little sinus infection or whatever. But come on, get it together. Y'all need to have y'all little fun and get up on out of there by my birthday. Because okay, y'all, I just got here, so I'm about to go inside. Okay, y'all, I'm here. This is my lashes before, looking like a bird. Should I hate when you're away from here, so far away? Counting the days now until you get here. Wait until you get here. Guess you've been misbehaving, but it's fine. I'm okay. I look crazy, but I'm gonna get myself together. You was checking yourself out in the mirror? You look fly. So let's see your outfit. Let's check Mr. Quincy out. Okay, period. Okay, Quincy, get him on. It is the weekend before my birthday weekend, yeah. And we're about to go shop for some odds and ends. It's cold in Texas now. Well, it's like 55 degrees, and you see how we're bundled up. But yeah, I just need to, I really don't have no set outfits, so I'm just going to pick up little odds and ends. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done and things of that nature. So yeah, we're gonna bring y'all along today. Hopefully he acts pretty good.
long and couldn't take. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, I gotta get next to it.
We got you this cute jacket. No, you're gonna leave that one. But this one matches your new shoes. It's like a fleece bomber jacket. Really, really cute.
That's okay. Granny go peachy.
Okay.
What about? Yeah.
I love Christmas time. I don't see any black Santas. Oh, wait. Hold up. Wait a minute. Period. Oh, this black is given. I love how this black is. That kind of good. Quincy, put that down. I told you not to touch stuff. Come on. Okay, so I do not like my brows super thin. So she just cleaned them up. So we're gonna roll with it. Okay. So yes, my hair looks crazy. I literally just woke up and was like, you know what? I'm washing my hair tonight, so it's just I'm gonna let it fall from the wrap. So it look a little crazy, but I'm headed to my nail appointment. This is what my nails look like now. I'm going to a new girl, and I think I want like the aura nails. Like, I'm going into a new year, and I'm just like, my aura is different. If you knew me before, you don't know me now.
Do you have an idea what you want to do today?
The aura nails.
Oh, yeah.
I want like a design like that. I really don't know what exactly, but like something like that. I didn't know if you had like the airbrush thing.
I don't have the airbrush.
Or do you have like anything you've been wanting to do? It's my birthday weekend, so I just want some birthday nails.
Yes, I gotta get next to it.
They look really good.
Yes, I'd wait up for you. I don't mean to rush you, but the rush I get touching you is something else, baby. I'm loving you.
Y'all look edgy nails in Austin. Get with her. Okay, I'm super stressed. I leave in the morning to go get my hair done, and I have to dye this hair. But my vendor was so sweet. I ordered 3 26s, I think. Yeah, they're all 26. And then he's gonna cut long layers into it. This is my little lash sheet. I'm about to use to dye this hair. Hey. She also sent me this bonnet, honey. Like, she sent me a bonnet, a little headband for your edges or your wig. It's like a Velcro one, a wig cap, and some lashes. I'm like, yes, sis. So I'm probably gonna take the bonnet for sure. My dye is ready to go. And my hair is like black, as y'all know. So I'm like, yeah, I have to dye this black, because yeah, this is not gonna match my hair color.
Hey, thank God I found you, should be around you. It's how to do business, baby, but it's fine, I'm okay. How much longer could it really take? Oh no, yeah. Yes, I gotta get next to you. Yes, I gotta.
Mess dog, but it's gonna be fire though. Y'all, I look crazy. I'm so tired. I just got to Houston. It's about a 2.5 hour drive. I need to brush my lashes out, but it's about a 2.5 hour drive, which is not bad. But the thing is, I ain't getting no sleep last night. I think I got like 2 hours of sleep. So I'm super tired. Oh, he's taking pictures and stuff. He on time, hurry. I love an on times babes. He does celebrities here. So I was a little timid booking just because, you know, like, I'm a regular girl. But he was real professional. He on time. And I don't know my shit gonna be late. So I'm gonna bring y'all along.
Yes, you've been misbehaving, but it's fine, I'm okay. How much longer could it take? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, I gotta get next to you. Yes, I gotta get next to you. You're alright. I'd wait up for you. I don't mean to rush you, but the rush I get touching you is.
Okay, my hair is hurrying. Cause who? Cause what? It's giving body. I like how it doesn't hurt. It's definitely giving. Do you see stars? Cause I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. We gon' fuck up tonight.
Yeah. Yes, I got